Hello everyone, it's Vaikri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be moving out of this college dorm. It's such a sad day, you guys. I mean, I'm never going to see this room ever again. I'm going to stand here, never going to film over here. I have such a sentimental attachment to this room, and this room has been truly special and very close to my heart. It's my official last few hours in this room. So right now it's 9 a.m. and I have to be done packing by 6 p.m. So yeah. And keep in mind, I have to pack the whole room. Like, I don't know why I decided to do this last minute, but I do not have much time. We need to start packing. So let's pack together, and I hope you enjoy this video. But before that, I'm gonna give you guys the room tour you never got. So let's go. First, we have this very famous chalkboard and whiteboard, and next to that, we have shelves, and then we have a desk. And with a desk, you get a chair which is filled with clothes. Please don't mind that. And then you also get a set of drawers. And then you have your bed. Below the bed, you have again 2 extra storage spaces. You can store anything you want. Here you have your side table. For me, it's my coffee table. And then again, you have extra storage spaces. And then we come over here, and then this is our closet. You get a mirror like this. And I'm not gonna open this because it's filled with clothes right now. I'm not gonna show. Again, extra storage, and then it's just a side table. Please don't mind that. And my packing, this is all I have done up till now. This is a random box with all my art supplies. This is a random bucket. I don't even know why it is there. And then this is the bag. So yeah. And if you cannot already tell, my roommate already shifted. So her bed is actually my bed at this point. So yeah, let's get packing. So first, I'm gonna tackle all my clothes and I'm gonna fit them in that black bag, hoping it would fit, because that was my plan and that's how I bifurcated the storage space. A quick outfit check. I'm literally dressed like a movers and packers, so that now you know that I'm actually serious about getting this packing done and moving out of this room. So we need to hurry up.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up.
It's exactly 1 hour after, and I'm done packing my bottoms and my shirts. And I switched the black bag to the green bag because I realized halfway that the black bag was not gonna be it. And now the green bag is full, and this was the biggest bag I had. This side, it's all my jeans and all my bottoms, like gym wear, my plazos and my jeans. And that's all my shirts, like every single thing. And this bag is already full, like I've stuffed the clothes in this. Now I'm confused how I'm gonna pack everything else, but I think I'm just gonna start packing and let's see where it takes. You know, in every room we have that one storage shelf where we just dump stuff and you never clean it, you never even look at it until the end of the year because you have to vacate the room. Well, for me that was that shelf, and wait, look what all fell from it. I have so many cloth bags, like I have so many papers and so many cloth bags, and there's my random sketchbook. I don't know why it is all there. I'm so confused what to do with this stuff, so let's see. This is so tedious. It's not exactly what I thought it would be. And I started filling the black bag and it's already filled with all my blankets and my bed sheets. I don't know how I'm gonna manage it. Let's see. Okay, so let's resume packing. I took a short break and I got myself fruity. Also, my throat is about to go sore. But let's pack.
Even though I own us up, let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
When you're a designer, you spend hours on an assignment. You spend hours on one sheet. And at the end, you just have to take a scissor, and cut it. Yes, because you cannot take them home and they are of no use in the future. I feel so bad. I mean, just look at that sheet. I mean, look at this sheet. This, okay, wait. Can you see? Yeah. Okay. So in the sheet we had to draw a sphere. Okay, and I kid you not, I redid this sheet at least 5 times. Okay, 5 times. I spent hours on this sheet, and what I have to do now? I just have to. Yeah, but that doesn't mean don't work. Please work. And yeah, it's just the sad reality of moving and the things you cannot take. It's honestly so sad that I have to do with my A2 sheets because the box is not that big that I can fit all them in one box and then maybe I can store them. And practically speaking, they are genuinely of no use. So even if I keep them just because I have some sentiments with those sheets, it's just honestly in the future I have to tear them. So instead of doing it later, let's do it now, right?
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute.
Okay. So let's make our last coffee ever in this room using this kettle. Because I'm gonna keep this kettle over here. I'm not gonna take it back with me to Pune. So this thing is gonna be here. Honestly, if there was only one thing from this room I'm like actually attached to, it was this kettle. This is genuinely a lifesaver, and not a single thing in this room I have used as much as I've used this. So let's make a last beverage ever, and this time it's gonna be a tea. Okay, so I'm gonna start the water. Honestly, one of the only things I'm gonna miss is drinking coffee and making coffee the first thing in the morning. And that's honestly a little sad. I would stop for that moment, but I mean, one day when I get my apartment, I'm gonna have a very, very, very big, spacious coffee corner where I like just make coffee, make teas, make maybe matcha. Never tried one, but if I like it in the future, I would also include that. And I can already visualize that coffee station. Like, it would be all Italian marble. I was gonna say marble. It will be all Italian marble. And then I would have this pretty kettle, one coffee maker, maybe instant coffee maker, matcha pots, maybe like every single equipment related to tea, coffee and matcha. And it would be there. Then there would be aesthetic cups. Then it would be so aesthetic. Oh my god, so pretty. Now we wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so now then you take out the tea bag because it's been 2 minutes. Okay, and then you pour the milk powder. I mistakenly poured the milk powder first, so I'm gonna transfer it from 1 cup to another. Okay. Yay! So now we just add some sugar. And I'm gonna throw away this container because I hate washing utensils. Why am I spilling sugar? Like what? Yay, now it's perfect. Let's devour a last beverage in this room. So I'm all packed out, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing this jacket, it's because I do not have space in my bag. Like I do not even have a space to fit one tiny ant. But now I'm gonna fill the forms. Once I fill the forms, it's official. I am moving out of this room. I'm moving out of 627. Oh my god, that is honestly crazy. Like, okay. First, let's fill out the form so that they can keep my luggage in the room. देखिए नहीं, एक बॉक्स है और एक बकेट है. अच्छा ठीक. They are moving my luggage to the storeroom. ये एक बॉक्स है, फिर वो एक बकेट है. Yeah, guys, it's not official yet because I didn't sign. Like, I want to record me signing the checkout form. But the luggage form I did sign, so it's official that they can have my luggage. Okay, my mom's just calling and she's like, Vaikri, you must be crying, right? You must be very emotional. And I was like, no mom, not that much. But boy, she was right. Oh, wala, huh? Thank you. Gone. My luggage is gone. Oh, if you're wondering what did I keep in my luggage, I just kept my assignments and all my stationery because I do not have space and I don't think I'm gonna use them for like good amount of 2 months now. So we are gonna come back and in the month of July or something, and then we are gonna take it back with us. So let's sign the official residence checkout form. I can't believe I'm so grateful that I'm getting this on camera. But once I sign here, I'm officially checked out of my hostel room. Let's do it. I'm officially not the room owner of 627. It's sad. Guys, I'm officially leaving this room. Okay, one final last look at it. Why does this look so sad? I mean, so many fit checks over here, so many coffees over there, so many sleeps over there, over here. Like, okay, doesn't make sense. So many memories on this desk, giving them my handmade flowers. Token of love and as a token of appreciation, because the people who work here work very hard, and I remember there were so many days where we just called them and we are like, please come clean our room, it's very dirty. And they just come and they just clean and they're always there for you. So yeah. I'm trying not to cry at this point. No, I'm kidding, I'm not gonna cry. But like, six to seven is for when, and if next year you get this room, if you get 6 to 7 and SH2, please take care of it, okay? Because this is my baby. This is like very dear to my heart. So now I'm gonna ask someone to help me with my luggage because it's actually 5 bags. A lot of bags, I know. Lock the doors, saying goodbye. Gonna miss this place a lot. Bye. That's it, you guys. There are no longer gonna be more videos with that background, and honestly it's a little sad, but it is okay. We made it, and Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please comment, like the video and subscribe to my channel. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.